All right, ladies and gentlemen, trade breakdown once again. I believe I do have a lot of forex pair that I analyzed, but I guess I only have like one trade that I get in, which is Euro HUF. So basically, kind of trading the potential lower high of the weekly time frame and then daily time frame. So when I see this rejection, so rejection on the daily, this one right here. So I was like, okay, I guess we're gonna look for an entry on 4 hour. So 4 hour give me um, lower high, lower low, the potential lower high. So when I saw this right here, looking at 30 minutes, so or 1 hour. When I saw this one right here, I saw this pretty nice break of structure or shift of structure. So when we have a retest, I basically jump on 50 minutes on the 12 noon, I mean 12 in the midnight of the London session. So saw this opportunity. Put my supposedly my stop loss will be kind of here, but I'm kind of like adjusting a little bit because exotic pair is kind of like high spread in your broker or platform account, platform whatever. So price came back here. I'm in touch here, but didn't didn't manage to kind of closing the one. I'm about to close this one because this one is Friday. But I guess I'm gonna close this one right here because like I don't wanna hold it too much, especially on weekends. Am I gonna be like putting back again the spread just like this one during market close and then continues to dump then because reason why because spread is high am I gonna be stopping out. So yeah, euro HUF, I did that one. US 30 pretty nice. We got this 5RR, I guess. Saw this one right here, higher high, higher low, and higher low. I saw this rejection the 4 hour. Usually 1 hour have a shift of structure around this. um, we have this pretty nice higher low, higher high, candle close during New York session. Put my stop loss like that, or even though 30 minutes is pretty self-explanatory. This is pretty nice trade though. US 30, yeah, and then I believe gold. So gold, let's break this down. Gold. We've been trading gold, been catching a lot of trades on gold. So Monday, let me see on Monday. All right, so here on Monday, Thursday. This is Thursday. Oh, here you go, Monday. So Monday, where is it? Right here, Monday. This is Monday. All right, this is Monday. Let's just put it like that. Monday. All right, so Sunday, I saw this one right here. When I saw this, pretty fat bullish engulfing. So I was waiting for a higher low. So when you go to uh, 5 minutes, so 50 minutes, I have an entry of bullish engulfing there. All right, let's see here. Cross it out. So when you go jump to 5 minutes, so got this one right here, 3 point, let's say call it 3RR because we do have this nice bullish engulfing around this area at 11 p.m. Now price came back once again. came back around here. Saw this bullish engulfing too as well. On New York Open. So New York Open, we follow the price action. Price came back. Put my TP around this right here, 6.8. And then on the 1 hour here. So 1 hour time frame here, we have like higher high, higher low. Once again, higher high, higher low. On the higher low, look for entry signal. 5 minutes. Good spot that 5 minutes. We have a break of structure, shift of structure on the London. New York session. Got this 2 RR. Once again, price came back. Got this 2 RR. Been catching 2 RR. If you reach 1,000, you make 2,000. That's all you need, though. Then when price break again, price break, lower low, lower high, potential lower high. We got this first move on Tuesday to RR, and then I have this support and resistance here because in the 1 hour time frame, you have this right there. So saw this bearish engulfing 15 minutes. So I took the trade around that. See on 30 minutes. Yeah, rejection, rejection. Put the around 7 RR. If I guess continue to hold, then probably 11. But I'm happy to secure 7 RR. Then once again, I think this one when price have this, I guess I caught this one right here on Wednesday. Think I'm running on like five five 5K, I guess. Yeah, I saw this one rejection, rejection. New York session opening, follow the price action, hold this 4 or 5 RR, then another 4 RR because price is having a lower high, lower low. We have a range. We trade on the range. 1.8. This one is two stop. I think stop loss. Then price came back again on the support. Support made the rejection. Higher, 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 low. Bullish, bullish engulfing 3 RR. Then when the price broke here, which is the lower high, lower low, broke, engulfing, engulfing, stop loss around here, 3 RR. And then this morning, when we saw this right here, 50 minutes, 50 minutes, um, open on New York, pull back on the 5 minutes. 5 minutes give us an entry around here with the stop loss like that. 3 RR, 3.9 RR. It's pretty nice trade. Yeah, that will be it. My what a boring forex pair, but gold paying the bills. Pretty nice trade. Look it up. Been trading gold, been trading gold, been trading gold, been trading gold, 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 gold. Um, so let's say here, let's talk about why I trade gold, right? Right. Let's say here, Euro HU up. I've been holding Euro CHF for since Wednesday, and not being hit by 2 RR. So closing here like 1 RR. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, holding this for almost 3 days. I almost got stopped out. But you gold, dude, on gold, I caught this on Friday, Thursday, 3, 3 plus 3, let's say 10 to 12 RR. It's only a matter of, let's say, less than 6 hours, 12 hours. So comparing to 3 days, 3 days of holding one RR, that's the reason why I way more focusing on gold rather than the forex. But if I see A plus setup on forex, then am I gonna be more interesting on that? But yeah, so far it's so good for gold. Gold been dominating a lot. So yeah, see you guys next week.